Say so, right? Like they open up the gate for him.
We good. Just go this way.
6.5 hours later.
And on my board, that's Bruno, no went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. Don't turn up the channel, no Bruno, keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Took that challenger right off the ice, all straight to the wall, to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hit Lamar, you know Bruno just out the vid, we gon' Bruno from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Bruno done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Bruno the littest, YouTuber living.
What is? Oh, okay. What is? I'm the bad motherfucking job out here. I keep saying, look. Where's he at? I keep saying, SYPD. Oh, no, oh, no, hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. What happened? Nah, oh, you went to Bama? Oh. Why she blew her up? She wanted to go out there with y'all? Bro, why did you blew her
Never crash out about no bitch, cause I'm too trained. Brick always fast, shoot straight, chef, you switch with the plan. My hoes look like Mary Jane girls, and they treat me like Big G. Skyloft with the fire. I ain't trying to hear your side note, shut your pie hole. So much paper, make a slideshow, I'ma slide. You niggas say showing me love, but look at my feet, this shit ain't cheap. Nah, for real. I double my bag in a short amount of time. And your girl is sorta kinda fine. And God is showing a lot of signs. He done show me a whole lot of dollar signs. Fucking with sluts and woken with cold sores. Now my fingers are so sore. Count diamonds in the Jesus head. All I cop is not an ice. Heard you got a bad quality of life. Fell in love with your wife. I just needed one night. You will never see me bring a knife to a gunfight. Cause my guns work. 5 fingers just for one shirt. This is CDG. You want BBC? My OG never did a shift. Mickey D's, but with selling grease. Felonies on felonies. With all niggas follow me. Anytime I fell off.
That's a boy.
I feel every spelling bee. I just made my bitch look good, not lying. Niggas putting that shit on, trying to force shit. I'm not trying. 6 shot in the glove. So bad for my friends, man. 2023.
How would they have gotten in if they didn't open up the gate? How would he have gotten in if they didn't open up the gate?
They said shut it down. They shut down the pits before they open up the car down. We're not playing these games.
There's no game though. There's no game. They opened up the gate for him to fly. Like that makes sense though, right? Like they opened up the gate for him to fly.
We good. Just go this way.
Niggas trying to rip niggas out the car.
And we outside, man. We outside. I'm mad I didn't get to see you slide, though.
I can?
May 17th, though. May 17th, you're going to be ready, right?
You ain't here?
No, hell no. May 17th, though. You at Dreamfest, right?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, cool. We added more to the pit, too. But 12 is so hot. Hell no. Don't go outside. Go into the pit. This is clay coat. You do not want to get caught in clay coat. Man, chill out. Y'all making it worse.
No. Hey, you're literally on a power trip. I'm glad this guy's so happy to chilling in that car. He about to take a hold. Good. He about to take a hold. Let him do it again. He about to take a hold. He about to take a hold right now. I mean, just after 10 o'clock, all this. You good.
This bitch is retarded. This bitch is stupid. This bitch is stupid. Alright, bro.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.